Great. Thank you for asking. How are you doing?
I am doing really great. I was
Oh,
watching a movie on Netflix and yeah,
what movie you're watching?
it's called as Bright Burn
Okay. What is it
and
about?
it is about you might heard of Superman.
Superman, yeah.
So the power of a Superman in wrong hands, what it might cause. So the movie is about that.
Okay, okay. Bright Burn. Okay, right.
Yeah, it's like a kind of horror movie because Superman in powers in wrong hands, we can't even imagine.
Sci-fi, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. All right. So this is the first time we are meeting. So just describe about yourself and then we'll begin.
Yeah, my name is Shivathmaj. I am from South India, Mangalore, and I am a software engineer. And apart from that, I have taken so many sessions from Clapingo to improve my English and have a great conversation. Uh, Apart from that, I have two YouTube channels, and I was a freelancer. And I have many different hobbies like playing guitar, martial arts, and yeah, this is about me in short.
All right. So like
Wow,
yeah,
that's a very good. I love cats.
you love cats?
I am a cat fan.
Okay. I myself, I won't say I'm a cat fan. I'm actually, fan of any sort of animal. But
Same here, but more specifically, a cat, a dog. Yeah.
okay. I actually, like this is a baby girl, okay? And I had three cats, okay, to be very honest. And yesterday, one of my cats passed away.
Mm.
So this is like the girl, and the brother passed away yesterday. So, I'm having a very bad time since
I
yesterday.
totally understand.
Yeah. Do you have any pets in the house?
Yeah, I have a very cute golden cat, and it had a brother, and that brother a few weeks ago went and never came back. So
What
it never
like
you never happened with me. No, I don't want to even think what might have happened.
no, no, I'll tell you. Like, the boy, I have a 6-year-old cat, okay? Like the big one is 6-year-old. This is 9 months old. And the biggest one is 6 years old. So he goes out, he comes back home, he eats, he sleeps with us. Again, for some days I give him a break. I'm like, he will not go out. So strictly, there's a prohibition. But still, somehow he manages to escape.
Hmm.
Exactly. So, like, where's your cat? Where's your golden cat?
My golden cat is downstairs, and it's currently very far from me. I am not reachable, or else I would have shown it to you.
Okay. So, like, how old is your cat?
My cat is, I think, more than 8 months old.
8 months. Okay. So, this one is also 9 months. Keep
Okay.
safe. Like, currently, there's a virus going on with the cats. Okay. So, like, be safe no matter what. Just give me a second. Like, it's scratching a lot.
I told.
So, like, keep safe. And I don't know, like, yesterday, day before yesterday, actually, the brother of this cat was actually puking, not eating
Hmm.
any puking. Okay, so I never
Hmm.
thought it would actually pass, like, uh, but I thought maybe next day I'll go for the doctor and I'll go to the vet and I'll, ask suggestions or take medicines, but it didn't give any time. It passed away. And
That's so sad.
your cat is more than 1 year old. It has a very vulnerable body, so it cannot take any sort of virus or anything. I'll show you. Like, it can sleep. I don't think so. They can hear, like phonic thing, telephonic.
Hmm.
Thing. So I'm glad I met someone who's actually a big fan of cats because I myself
Biggest one.
cats in the house.
Yeah, my mom is like, I sit in laptop to work downstairs, And
Yeah.
there are two sofas, and my mom sits in one and I sit in one in my laptop. And
Okay.
I am like, I don't allow anyone to sit in my the spot, that sofa. And today that cat came and it stood there. Then I myself shifted everything and sat somewhere else because I don't want to disturb its sleep.
Yeah. Like it's there with you. Like for how many months it's there with you, or how many years?
It's there from 7 months. Actually, its brother invited him, and two cats like stayed together with me. Then after I think after yeah, few months, recently that brother went and he never came back. Normally he don't take too long. He goes away for a week or so, but he used to come back, but now he never came back. So me and my father were discussing that something might have happened, but we will never think about it. At least we don't want to see something happening to it. Looks
Like how
fun.
long did it not come back? How long like is it out?
It's been 3 weeks plus, I guess.
3 weeks plus.
And now
I
it feels like it won't come.
Okay. And like where do your cats sleep with you or like somewhere else?
It sleeps inside our house, but not in the bedroom. Somewhere in sofa or something.
Okay, okay, all right. I have, I actually belong to a lot of cat group. Okay, like in Facebook I follow, and I'm a member of many groups. So I've
Mhm.
seen people losing their cat. Okay, they go out and they've come back after 6 months.
Oh my gosh.
6 months, 4 months, 5 months, and things like that. So, never lose hope because a cat is so mischievous. It'll go out someday, or maybe, it found interest somewhere, and something is much more interesting than your house, maybe for him. But someday, definitely, he'll come back. Okay, if it's alive, it'll definitely come back to you.
Mhm.
And like I'll tell you, mating is such a thing about male cats, no? When it's the mating season, they cannot stop themselves. When the heat comes up in their body, they cannot stop themselves. I've seen my cat, so like currently the big one, it went out yesterday, okay. It didn't come home till like today also it's not home. We just wait, maybe tomorrow or day after, maybe it'll come back. And it comes back home injured. Like one leg is injured, it's just you know uh,
Yeah, I understand.
like since childhood, like he's such a what to call a stupid cat, no? He'll go out, he broke his teeth, like front, they have the small teeth, have you seen? So it broke all of its teeth.
I never seen that happen with a cat.
I never thought a cat would break their teeth, okay. So stupid actually. Every time it'll go out and it'll come back home injured. Maybe the ear is, bitten by someone, some scratch in the ear. And like 6 years he's been there in the house, right? It's so homely and so, bhola bhala. It'll go out, it cannot hit any other cat. It'll just get hit by other cats and then come back home.
Same here. I saw a rat chasing my cat, the
Oh
big rat.
my god, this is something. This is common. I have seen my cat, my cat getting scared of rats. Okay, so there was this big rat. So the big rat was just moving, not coming after my cat, but my cat ran.
The thing is, what is the point in petting this cat?
Exactly. Like since childhood, I've heard stories where, cats catch rats and mice and things like that. But in my case, the mice or the rat will catch the cat.
I thought it's only with me, but now I understand.
Exactly. And when my 6-year-old cat was small, once what happened, it climbed the tree and it couldn't come down. Okay, so we had to call the fire brigade people and then bring it. So like the stupidity and everything. Oh my god, it's like massive stupidity a cat can have, and like they are amazing clever, but at times they become very stupid. It's just that they want attention maybe or something like that. I don't know. And this one is 9 months old. Okay, wait, I'll show
My
you.
cat is sleeping exactly like that downstairs.
Yeah.
Wow.
Exactly. So it's like 9 months old, okay, and they sleep in such a way, no? They'll sleep like this, and like the head is going somewhere else, and body somewhere else.
Exactly. Like we used to think that cats sleep circle, but
Ah,
that's not true. Nowadays, cats sleep more like a human being in
ah,
different positions.
ex-
Even we don't sleep that much comfortably. We have our things, but
and it's different with the cat. And like this one is 9 months old. So when it was a baby, my 6 years old cat, this baby girl, hits the my 6 year old cat. Like it's slapping or scratching my cat. So naughty. We just spoke about cats for 10 minutes, I guess, right?
yeah.
So it was a pretty interesting conversation, to be very honest. Now, you
Yes.
can just tell me how is your experience going on in Clapingo?
My experience is going great. I'm speaking to people with different mindset, different interests, and everyone brings something to the table, and the conversations go great. Some teachers also give me feedback in the end, and I also seen my fluency improving day by day, and there is slight improvement as well. Yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
Like, I thought of, checking the document, but somehow I cannot open it. Just look at the position. I cannot open it because the like thing is there.
No, that's completely fine. It's not compulsory to stick with the topic.
Yeah, I cannot move him. Okay.
Yeah. As a cat person, I completely respect that. I don't suggest you to move your cat forcefully.
And this is so strange. There is like full bed is empty. Okay. He has to sleep on his laptop. On
Exactly. Because it is saying that, see, give me attention. Why are you ignoring me?
exactly. So like you've had more than 70 sessions, right?
Yeah.
So like how long? For how long have you taken sessions?
Um, Actually, I took, I think, about 45 plus sessions in 2020.
Hmm.
Then I
Okay.
took then I took a big break in 2021, and in 2022 recently I started again. I was in my like I was in my engineering, com- uh, computer science engineering bachelor's. So I had to like figure out my career. So until that I took a big break, and then recently I started again after joining a job to improve my communication skill and to keep conversation going.
Okay. So like currently, where are you working?
Currently, I'm working in a company in Mangalore, South India.
Okay. Okay.
Due to certain restriction, I cannot like specify the name here because I am also posting content on YouTube.
Oh, okay. Okay. So like you post the clapping of videos also like in YouTube.
Yeah, actually, I have two channels. In one channel, it's engineering specific topic where I teach subjects which I know, and in another channel, it's all about me interacting with the different individuals. It may be Indian foreigners, CEOs, entrepreneurs, like everyone.
Okay, okay. So is it more like a hobby currently?
Uh, Actually, I see myself being uh, I see
Into
myself. I don't know when it will become true, but I see myself becoming like Sandeep Maheshwari.
okay, okay. That's very good, like to reach that thing, like you have set your thing in a very high way.
Yeah,
So
that's.
all the very best and get the best for yourself.
Thank you
You're a
so much.
human being. And it was great to share a conversation. And I love sharing conversation about cats. So anything
I
for the
even I totally love it, and I never had a conversation about cats
you did not have any conversation about cats
uh,
before.
on Clapingo.
Oh, okay, okay, all right. So like it was a great conversation, but 15 minutes is very less. Okay. So
I
if
guess so.
possible, we'll definitely get connected once again.
Yeah,
and
definitely.
like sharing more stories.
Yeah, I have session with you tomorrow as well.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Okay,
I
like which
have
time?
many more session with you. The thing is, whenever I like I get time during my office, like after night, and I think like your slot was not available for me. So I for this slot I had booked long back, so I
Hmm.
got this.
Okay. So like before, did you book any other slots with me?
No, no, this is the first session with you.
Okay, and tomorrow you have again, right?
Yeah, I have again.
Okay, so we'll again, I'll see you tomorrow and Merry Christmas in advance.
Merry Christmas to you too. Have a
Yeah,
great day.
take care of
Okay,
yourself.
it's night. Have a good night.
Yeah, have a good night as well.
Thank you
Exactly.
so much.
It was great sharing a conversation and about the feedback. You shared your point of view and your perspective in an amazing way. And the way we shared our conversation about the cat was wonderful and I enjoyed it. And yeah, looking forward to have another conversation again tomorrow.
Definitely. Thank you so much. Even I had a really great time.
Thank you. Yeah, take care and take care of your cat as well.
Definitely, I will take care. Even you take care of that guy, that girl. Okay.
Well, yeah, yeah, exactly. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, take care. Merry Christmas. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.